Hi, in Blender there is an add-on for fracturing objects named Cell Fracture. To use it, go to Preferences, type in Cell, and then activate the add-on. We will fracture this default cube. First, I'll subdivide it a couple of times to give it enough geometry. I'll add materials to the objects. The first one is for the outside faces, and the second one is for the inside faces. I'll give it a red color. To run the operator, go to Objects, Quick Effects, Cell Fracture, or you could simply search for it. Let's take a look at the options. You can choose the source of the points, the verts, or the child verts, but in our case, we will use our particles. Source limit is the number of shards, and noise is to randomize the size of shards. I will set it to 0.5, and scale is the scale of the shards. Recursive shatter is for shattering the shards in a recursive way. We will not use it. Now in mesh data, I'll change the material to 1 because I have 2 materials. If you have only one material, leave it at 0. Make sure the margin is 0 to close the gaps between the shards. Also make sure that the recenter is checked to set the origin in the center of the shards. Finally, I'll give the new collection a name, then hit OK. Now the cube is shattered to multiple pieces. I'll hide the original and animate the new collection using Animax. The cube is easy for the add-on to shatter, but there are some cases where the add-on fails. We will use Suzanne as an example. As you can see, the fracturing didn't work well. To understand why that happened, let's first enable the Printing Toolbox add-on because it offers some nifty tools for checking a mesh. When pressing Check All, this handy information appears about the mesh of Susan. The source of problem is this intersecting face and non-manifold edges. If we go to Edit mode, we can select these faces. If we select a vertex, then press Ctrl L, we will select the whole eye. As you can see, the eyes are not connected to the head, and that's the cause of the problem. A simple fix is just to delete the eyes. If we check the mesh again, we will get a better results, but we still have non-manifold edges, or in other words, it contains gaps. So, the last fix is to close the gaps. You can do a better job reconnecting the eyes, because it's not the topic of this tutorial. Now, our mesh is watertight. Let's try to fracture it again. And it worked nicely. That's it for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.